Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla crash repairs still far above ICE vehicles, but other EVs near parity. Tesla 4680 production steadily ramping up at Giga Texas. Tesla Model X Plaid gets price increase. And Tesla offers free unlimited supercharging transfer for select end-of-year deliveries. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, but crash repairs can still be expensive, especially for Teslas. As per data from Mitchell, a firm that provides software for managing collision repairs, the average repair cost for a Tesla in Q3 2023 was $5,552, compared to $4,474 for non-Tesla electric cars and $4,205 for combustion-powered vehicles. There are a few reasons for the high cost of Tesla crash repairs. One reason is that Teslas are newer and pricier than the average gasoline vehicle. The average combustion vehicle on the road is a 2016 model, while the average EV is from the 2022 model year. Additionally, most EVs are luxury vehicles, and Teslas dominate both the luxury and EV segments in the United States. Another reason for the high cost of Tesla crash repairs is that Teslas are packed with safety and tech features. These features can be expensive to replace and repair, even after a minor collision. Ryan Mandel, Director of Claims Performance for Auto Physical Damage at Mitchell, explained how Tesla's advanced safety systems could result in expensive repairs. These vehicles are on the cutting edge of all this safety technology and this digital connected car technology, and all of that is going to play a role when these vehicles are involved in a collision. You could have a left front corner impact that somehow has disrupted your right rear lane departure warning sensor. Maybe that part needs to be replaced, maybe it needs to be recalibrated, Mandel said in a comment to Automotive News. Mandel also pointed out that newer vehicles tend to be built with more parts and new materials, resulting in repairs requiring higher skilled technicians and more labor hours. That being said, it's important to note that the gap in repair costs between EVs and combustion vehicles is often exaggerated. Social media posts, as well as some media reports, tend to focus on rare battery fires and extreme EV repair cases rather than industry averages. This was highlighted in a recent story about a Rivian R1T, whose $42,000 repair bill went viral. The Rivian R1T's repair could be considered an edge case since the vehicle received serious damage on the inside, even though the exterior damage didn't look severe. Moving to the next update, Tesla 4680 production steadily ramping up at Giga Texas. Tesla 4680 production is steadily ramping at Gigafactory Texas. The company's other factories are also ramping up 4680 production steadily. 4680 cell production in Texas increased 40% quarter-over-quarter. Congrats to the Texas team for producing their 20 millionth cell off of line 1. Texas is our primary 4680 facility, noted a Tesla executive during the Q3 2023 earnings call. Tesla is now heavily focusing on quality with its 4680 production lines. It has already reduced scrap from the 4680 production lines, down 40% quarter-over-quarter. Tesla is increasing volume while improving the 4680 assembly lines and reducing cell costs month-over-month within the third quarter. However, it still has a lot of work to do to reach its goals. Tesla announced the build of its 20 millionth 4680 battery cell at Giga Texas earlier this month. In the middle of June, it announced reaching 10 million cells. The difference between building its 20 millionth and 10 millionth 4680 cell reveals the rapid growth Tesla is experiencing with its 4680 cell production line. In April, Tesla appeared to add 4680 Model Y units to its design studio. At the time, Tesla added the Model Y dual-motor, all-wheel drive variant to its configurators in the United States. The Model Y variant was priced at $49,990 before incentives, qualifying for the federal tax credits under the Inflation Reduction Act. Last month, Tesla removed the base Model Y dual-motor variant, leaving only the long range and performance available for purchase. Moving to the next update, Tesla Model X Plaid gets price increase. Tesla increased the price of the Model X Plaid by $5,000. The Tesla Model X Plaid now starts at $94,990 from $89,990. The price increase occurred within the last few days or hours. On October 15, 2023, the Tesla Model X Plaid's price was still $89,990. The Plaid Model X has an estimated delivery date between November and December 2023. It does not qualify for federal tax credits under the Inflation Reduction Act. The dual-motor Tesla Model X still starts at $79,990 before options. It qualifies for the $7,500 federal tax credit until December 31st. As of this video, Tesla has not changed the price of the dual-motor Tesla Model S or the Model S Plaid. The Tesla Model S all-wheel drive costs $74,990 before options, while the Plaid version starts at $89,990. In August, Tesla announced price cuts for the Model S and Model X. Around the same time, it launched the new Model 3 Highland in certain regions around the globe. After the price cuts, Model X delivery dates were pushed back, hinting at a wave of orders for the all-electric flagship SUV. After the Q3 2023 earnings call, analysts worried about Tesla's price cuts and its effects on the company's gross vehicle margins. Tesla reported a gross vehicle margin of 17.9% compared to 25.1% earlier this year. It would be interesting to hear what analysts think of Tesla's recent Model X Plaid price increase. Moving to the last update, Tesla offers free unlimited supercharging transfer for select end-of-year deliveries. Tesla is attempting to boost sales by convincing owners of older Model S and Model X vehicles to upgrade by letting them transfer their free unlimited supercharging onto new purchases. That's surprising, considering just a few months ago, Tesla was trying to get owners to give up their free supercharging to get a new car. For the first few years of selling Model S and Model X, Tesla was offering free supercharging for the vehicle's life. It was a really enticing offer, since you could technically not have to pay to power your vehicle ever. Of course, that's if you don't charge at home and only use the supercharger network, which is not ideal for most people, but it is an extremely valuable perk for some power users. In 2018, Tesla ended the perk after claiming that it was unsustainable, though it did temporarily bring it back as a sale incentive at times. There are still today a few hundreds of thousands of Tesla vehicles with unlimited free supercharging around the world. At some point, Tesla said it was paying about $20 million yearly to support owners on free supercharging. Earlier this year, Tesla made a first effort to try to get those vehicles off the perk by offering owners an extra $5,000 discount if they trade in a Model S and Model X with unlimited free supercharging. The automaker then ramped things up by even adding up to 6 years of free supercharging on a new car if you give up your free unlimited supercharging for life. Now, Tesla seems to want new orders more than it wants to retire its free supercharging program, as it now offers owners of older vehicles to transfer the free supercharging to a new order. The offer is valid for new Model S, Model X, and Model Y orders, with deliveries by the end of the year. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.